Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at our second Honda gb250 Clubman. It's a 1986 bike, 249cc 6-speed single. So a really desirable bike here in Ireland these days since we've started bringing them in. So visually, front tyre isn't great. It has cracking on it and probably is in need of replacement. We do have a little gash on the front mudguard here. But apart from that, good. Front forks are good, showing a little bit of sign of age, but nothing too major. Front disc is okay. Front headlamp is okay. Little mark here on the front odometer. Braided steel cable with a cover on the front here. There's our horn. Tank is okay. Small little mark here. Apart from that, just very superficial stuff. Engine is in good condition. Exhaust here is in nice condition as well. Aftermarket sounds great. Aftermarket seat as well from K&H Laboratory. So it's a nice aftermarket seat for her. Grab rails on the left and right hand side. 1986 bike, like I said. Aftermarket indicators on her as well. Chain guard, chain sprocket are good. So it's the twin exhausts. So it's as you can see. So there's the first one. And from the rear then you get the twin exhausts, which is nice to see. Rear tyres okay as well. And onto the front here, onto this tank. Side panel is original, little signs of scuffing. There's a little mark here as well. Down the front then, Japanese bike as you can see, and only 17,000 kilometers on the clock. Has nice chromey mirrors as well on it, which are cool. But apart from that, that's the visual analysis, so we'll now move on to the ride along.
Okay, so it's actually been a few days since the visual inspection of this bike. We did a few little things. We cleaned up the carbs, made it run a bit better. We also put new bars on her because the last ones were just shoddy. We just weren't good enough to go out. So apart from that, she's all ready, running perfect. We've already done a few little runs on her, starting lovely. Everything is working. We've checked it out fully mechanically. Very nice. And as you can see, or hear even, sounds good too. It's got these aftermarket single into a twin exhaust system, which I reckon is fairly custom. But as you can see, going through the gears very nicely. Up to 50 kilometers an hour, no problem at all, in third gear now. So yeah, this is a gb250. So they're quite desirable little bikes, very difficult to get in all original condition. This one is of course not in all original condition, but it is nearly all there. The tank, which is the most important thing on these, is original. This has the older style tank, seeing as it's 87 I believe. Has the older, longer style tank. You can get the version that had the sportier tank on it. This one actually I prefer the look of and the shape of, and the sportier one, but that is down to personal preference then, of course. As you can hear, going through all the revs there. Obviously I only got up to 8, but revving out much better now. We had the carbs. I mean, maybe most people wouldn't have really noticed, but we know what these bikes are meant to feel like, and so we knew the cars needed a little bit of attention. So other than that, running lovely, serviced, ready to go. We're going to pull up here at the left hand side now, have a look at her on the road, what she looks like when she's sitting there. Also go through the electronics on the bike, and then that's really it for the wrap of the video. You can see the bike running lovely. Go into first gear, going to do the shoulder check, up and into the left here now. So let me just put her into neutral. There we are. Cancel the indicator, put her on the main stand. Let me just... You have a nice grab rail here at the rear. Okay, let me get some air into me. That's her. We have a car coming down here, so I'm just going to let that car pass. Hopefully they don't hit the bike. Okay, so we just got past there, we're just talking to the neighbour there. So I think as well, like I said, the front tyre, we have the spare tyre there for someone who's ever going to pick it up. We're going to give that in. Indicators then, she's been sitting here ticking over, as you can see. There is the front left, rear left. Let me go into the rear right here. Rear right indicator, front right indicator, and then brake light, as you can see there. So that's really it. That's her in a nutshell. And we do the rear one again. There you can see it coming on. Right, so that's it. That's the gb250 Clubman. Nice little bike, good starter. Not going up for too much money as well. Really nice looking little thing. Cheap tax at €26 a year. Insurance will probably be on the low side too. So anyway, that's been her. Let me get back on the bike, get up to the end of the street, and then that's us back in for today. Alright, so if you have liked the video, please do leave it a like. Also comment down below what you think of these Honda CBX250 Clubmans, and finally subscribe if you haven't already.